I got to understand some stuff because I realized that, when we were using DD and we are using 11 Lab to create YouTube channel, YouTube videos, I realized that it might be a bit tedious and it might not be cost effective because 11 Lab has a limit if you are using their free tool, and it also has a limit even if you are if you are subscribing to it. And DD also has a limit if you don't buy the enterprise. I think even for £5 something, you only have 10 minutes there about. And also the stress as well might not be too good. So I just thought about it, that is there any way we can reduce the stress, have our video, and also have a good SEO for it? And I tried this on my new channel, which I'm going to show you very quickly. Okay, so let me just quickly go to the new channel. Okay, let's see, quick link this time. Okay, so I did a video during the week on Black people's history according to the Bible, and the video is actually growing bit by bit. So let me switch to the new channel. Okay, so this is the new channel. Okay, so when I started the old channel, anytime I post videos, I realize that most of the time I get three of 420 views, and it was like a struggle. And sometimes I will have to put it on my your WhatsApp status, do a broadcast, send to people, put it on Facebook, sometimes do some marketing on Facebook, before I could get sometimes 100, 200, 300 views. But this new channel, I've been posting. I've only done like five videos, and I noticed that some of them are doing very well. So, for example, this one, has got like, yeah, it's still not growing it's growing fast, but it's not as big as the big YouTuber I would have seen. And these videos was posted, I think, on Thursday, and it's got like 278 views, and it's got like 20 hours uh 20 hours watch, and it's got 8 extra subscribers just for this video alone, you know and look at the impression is 5,300. That's and the I think the most important part is that most of the impression comes from suggested videos and browse features. So you could see, let's see. So yeah, I think we could say that it came from suggested videos and browse features, which is very, very good. And this second one as well came from YouTube search. So it's not only my own audience, the audience that I know, but it came from YouTube search. So you could see most of the views actually came from YouTube search. And how do we do this? And that's what I quickly want to talk about. I think one of the ways to do this is, number one, you need to have the right videos. And having the right videos is very key, and you don't want to also waste time. And a lot of people that have started, I noticed that we are doing 2-minute video, 3-minute video. If you are doing 2-minute video, 3-minute videos, and only 10, let's say 100 people watch your 2-minute video, and even if they watch everything, 100 people watching your 2-minute video, you only have plus or minus, you have like 3.5 hours, view, or 3.5 hours watch, which will not give you a good watch hour. So I would strongly encourage you, if you can do longer video, let's say minimum of 8 minutes. I think that will also help you, to grow, and another thing that can actually help you, because when you're doing 8-minute video and you want to use let's say DD, or you want to use the one we shared last week, which is using Canva and ChatGPT and a level lab, then it might also take you time. But this video, I actually did it with InVideo, and this is what I did. I went to InVideo and I created the video. So I created the video, tell me Black history stuff, and let's say, okay, so I went to this. I'll just show you what I did for the sake of, because of time. So when I did this video, I think it's like 11-minute video. So when I created this video on InVideo gave me like some random pictures that I'm not quite comfortable with. So what I did when I created the video on InVideo, I went to edit. So I went to edit and I went to media. So any media that I'm not comfortable with, I change it. So instead of doing 11 lab and going to Canva, you take your voice to 11 lab, you go to Canva and you will be doing your image based on your voice that you were able to create on 11 lab, and you're doing your voice like the one we did recently. It might actually take your time to do that. But if you have InVideo, you don't need 11 lab anymore. So that can actually save you money. If you have InVideo, you may not really need DD except you want to do like a presentation. So if you have InVideo, the only thing you may need is you don't even need anything. You don't need Canva. If you don't want Canva, you don't need Canva, because you don't have to do your editing on Canva if you have InVideo. But if you don't, if you still like want your Canva maybe for, what is it called, for your thumbnail, this and that, you can do like a free Canva. You don't need to subscribe for it, so you can do free one. But if you have InVideo, what you can do is this. You can do your image, like we said earlier, on Microsoft Copilot. So if you go to Microsoft Copilot, you do your image in Microsoft Copilot, and as soon as you do your image in Microsoft Copilot, you come to upload media, you upload your media. So let's say I upload my media that I created from Microsoft Copilot, and I add it to my InVideo. And as soon as it gets to InVideo, if I'm not happy with a particular pictures that InVideo has generated for me, what I would do is to take this, click on it, then take this there. So you could see that the picture is there. When I play it, it will show fully. But the beauty of it is that it can also animate. It can zoom in, zoom out, like you can do in Canva. But because this is actually like a video that has been created, you can always play around with with the uh with the pictures. So I know that a lot of people that are doing in video, some of them are not comfortable with the image that in video gives to you. So what you can do is you can create your own image and change your image. If you don't like this image, you can you click it and it will change. And when your video is playing, this is what people will see. And I think with that, it makes life easier. So the first one is how you can actually create video that would save you time and save you money. And when you do that, another key thing that we need to do, which I'm going to quickly show us before we end today's session, is our SEO, our SEO, search engine optimization. We need to optimize our channel. When you start creating channel, you also need to optimize your channel. And one of the things that we need to do is to look at this side. What does your channel do? When people go to your channel, what does it do? And I think this is very, very important. So if I click this place, let me see. If I click this video, okay, let's see. So if you want to customize, okay, if I click this video, let me just click it. quickly. If I click this video, it's going to show me what this channel is all about. So let me just jump so you would see what I'm talking about. So this is channel tag. Channel tag. So this is what this channel is all about. So it talks about folktales, storytelling, folklore, and this is what the channel is all about. And the second one is video tag, and this is what this particular video is all about. So how do you get this? We call you can get this we call it VidIQ. So you can do get VidIQ for free. You can use their free version, and you can, if you are quite happy with their paid version, you can also do their paid version. So what it does is that it helps you with SEO. So if I copy a topic and I put it on VidIQ, it can generate me the keywords that the topic can that will optimize that particular channel. So let's say best advice, best financial advice. So if I click that, it's going to tell me whether or not there is traffic for best financial advice. And if there are traffic, it's going to tell me competition, that can I cope with the competition? So if you see this, the competition is very, very high. So this vidIQ can actually help you to know, whether or not you can actually compete on that particular topic. If I say that, okay, Bible story, go there, is also a bit high as well. You could see how many people are looking for this and the competition, and it's going to tell you the keywords that you need to use for it. So if I'm starting a channel, the first thing that I need to do is to have is to tell people what my channel is all about. And how do you do that? You go to your channel and you go to customization. So when you click customization, you put layout on your channel. So my channel trailer, when people go to my channel, this is the video that they will listen to. Future video for returning subscribers. So when new subscriber returning subscriber comes, this is what they will see first. So that's one of the ways to set up your channel. So you need to have branding as well. You need to brand your channel, have your logo there. Possibly if you want to have watermark, you can have your watermark as well. But this is the most important part, the basic information. So you need to put your information, you need to describe what your channel is all about, and you need to have a tag for your channel. So this is what this channel is all about, and you need to also create a tag for your channel. And another thing that you need to do is your channel URL is also very important. But another thing that people do is that they copy this URL, then they do it in a way that, when people, they do it in a way that they put subscribe in front, which I'm going to quickly show you. When they put subscribe in front, when a video is done, it will show subscribe in front straight away. Let me see if I can get one example. And with that, it can actually help people to subscribe to your channel. So let me just look at this one very quickly. Okay, not this. Let me see if I can jump on another one. So, okay, so this one, let's see. And description, you have like 5,000 words that you can put in your description. I think I've not optimized this one. Okay, let me see the one that I did last that I've optimized. Okay. Okay, then yes, this one too is very important. I'm going to talk about it later. And those are the things that I've learned that can actually help you to optimize. So this one, you could see this is my channel link, but I put sub underscore confirmation equals to 1. And when you do this, it will be able to show subscribe to your viewers. So let me see if I can quickly show you the example of what I'm talking about. Let me just jump to the end. And let's see if it's going to show me the. So these are the pictures that I was able to add to InVideo. Okay, okay, it's not showing this. Okay. So what it does is actually okay, you could see it here. So you could see subscribe here. So when people click this, they will have the opportunity to subscribe straight away. So if you click it, but you need to put sub there, and it also pop up to people that are watching it as well. So this is also very important. So we need to check our channel. We need to know whether or not it's been audited very well. Does it have the right tag? Does it have the right description? Does YouTube understand what our channel is all about so that they can actually push you? And another thing that can also help our channel is chapter. If you look at this video has a chapter. And what chapter does is this. Chapter will break down your videos. So you could see here, you could see probing the past, 2 minute plus. You could see here, beginning in the Bible, you could see. So it has chapters and it helps with optimization. If you look at this, look at best practice. These are what it's expected for your optimization. So chapter added, caption added, like on Facebook, comment pin. Yes, this is the comment pin. So I've pinned my comments and I've added, you could see as well, I've pinned my comment. So this is how to pin your comment. You drop the comment and you pin it. You know, you can see on pin, you can say pin. So you pin your comment. It also helps, is actually one of the best practice as well when you pin your comment. And unfortunately, this video didn't allow me to add end screen added. Because what end screen does is that you will add another video to your to the video that you are posting, and that's end screen, and you could see that it's showing me 95% SEO score. So if we have that, it helps us as well. We need to have high resolution thumbnail, you need to have comment pin, and you need to have comments added, and this is comment added. So when you put your comment pin, you also add your comments, and that helps with the optimization. And okay, so this is how end screen works. Let me just quickly share the end screen before I give opportunity for question. So when you post your video, you look for end screen. Unfortunately, this one is not helping me, so allowing me to do that. You could say import from video, then you choose one of the video and you click it, but I don't know why this is not helping. So when you do that, when people watch your first video, the second video will pop up. And you also have cards. So for cards, if you have playlist, you can add your playlist. If you have video alone, you can add your video. So that's one of the ways to optimize, your channel and your video. So you could see here, these are the tag, and I use all the 500, to tag my video. Another thing that can help if you are not using VidIQ is you can go to YouTube itself and type the genesis of Africa. Let's say YouTube, you go the genesis of Africa. Can you see what is coming out? You could see what is coming out. These are what people are looking for. So it's just recommending them to me. So you can copy all these long tail keywords and put it on in your tag session, or you can just say African folklore, anyone. So you could say African folklore, African history, African so you can copy all these things and put it on your video. I when I first started, I had to pay for optimization, that they should optimize one of my video. So I learned from that, and that is the previous channel. So I learned from how they were able to optimize that channel, and I'm using it for this new one. So I just want to encourage you that as a newbie, if you can put all those things in order, I think it's going to help your channel big time. And that is what we've got today, because we're just talking about how to better your video and how to optimize your channel and your video. As you know, I'm so glad that we have started, but the next level is how to optimize our channel and get a better view. I'm also new. I'm also starting afresh. I don't